Namaskar, I Satvik Upadhyay welcome you all to Uday India Digital. Today I will talk about digital maturity, Indian banks outperforming global peers, a change in government and a change in the future of India in 2014. India witnessed a change in the government and it subsequently changed the face of India. We all know how the Modi government is changing the lives of common Indians and making India a global phenomenon. Economy is booming and the digitalization of our economy has been hailed by the world over. Now India has another feather in its cap and it's all because of the government. A recent report by Deloitte has found that Indian banks are outperforming their global peers in digital maturity score with the average score of 5.7 out of 10 compared to the global average of 5.4. The report also found that Indian banks are investing heavily in digital transformation with an average of 10% of their IT budgets allocated to their area. There are a number of factors that are contributing to the digital maturity of Indian banks. One factor is the increasing penetration of smartphones and the internet in India. According to a report by Statistica, the number of smartphones users in India is expected to reach 850 millions by 2025. This is driving a shift towards digital banking, as more and more Indians are now using their smartphones to access banking services. Another factor that is contributing to the digital maturity of Indian banks is the government's push for digital transformation. The Indian government has launched a number of initiatives to promote digital banking, such as the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana and the Aadhaar payment bridge system. These initiatives help to make banking services more accessible and affordable for the millions of Indians. Indian banks are also investing heavily in digital technology to improve their customer service and operational efficiency. For example, many banks are now using artificial intelligence and machine learning to develop chatbots that can answer customer queries and provide personalized recommendations. Banks are also using big data analytics to detect fraud and improve risk management. The digital maturity of Indian banks is having a number of positive impacts on the Indian economy. First, it is helping to boost financial inclusion by making banking services more accessible and affordable. Digital banking is helping to bring more and more Indians into the formal financial system. This is helping to reduce poverty and inequality in India. Second, digital banking is helping to improve the efficiency of Indian financial system. By automating many of their processes, banks are able to reduce their costs and improve their turnaround times. This is making it easier and cheaper for businesses to access credit for individuals to save and invest. Third, digital banking is helping to promote innovations in the Indian financial sector. Banks are constantly developing new digital products and services to meet these needs of their customers. This is leading to a more competitive and efficient financial system. Here are some specific examples of how Indian banks are using digital technology to improve their customer service and operational efficiency. Many Indian banks are now using chatbots to answer customer queries and provide personalized recommendations. For example, the State Bank of India has a chatbot called Yono that can answer customer questions about their accounts, transactions and loans applications. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are being used by Indian banks to detect fraud and improve risk management. For example, HDFC Bank is using AI to detect fraudulent transactions on its credit card. Big data analytics is being used by Indian banks to improve their customer segmentation and product targeting. For example, ICICI Bank is using big data analytics to identify customers who are likely to be interested in a particular product or service. The digital maturity of Indian banks is a positive development for the Indian economy. It is helping to boost financial inclusion, improve the efficiency of financial system and promote innovation. Here are some of the challenges that Indian banks face in their digital transformation journey. Indian banks are increasingly vulnerable to cyber attacks. In order to protect their customers' data and systems, banks need to invest in robust cyber security measures. Many Indians are still not familiar with digital banking. Banks need to educate their customer about the benefits of digital banking and how to use it safely. India's digital infrastructure is not yet fully developed. This can make it difficult for banks to deploy and operate digital solutions. Despite these challenges, Indian banks are making significant progress in their digital transformation journey. The digital maturity of Indian banks is positive development for the Indian economy and its citizens. The survey covered 304 banks in 41 countries, including US, China, UK, Germany, Italy, and Brazil. These are some Bharatiya banks which were operating since before 2014. Management structure is the same. Then what changed their performance? Answer is government. So with this, I wrap up this edition for today. Stay tuned to Uday India Digital.